Thank you so much. Now, I would like to invite our principal ma'am, Miss Shikha Goyal, to come and say a few words.
Our annual day. What a delightful gathering we have today as we gather here to celebrate this momentous day of the year, our annual day. This year, we are celebrating our 12th annual day. Thank you. For us at the nursery, annual day is like a big colorful painting that shows how awesome early years learning is. It's not just about showing how much we've learned, it's about learning to become better friends, learning to be better human beings, and learning to discover that we have great potential. It's a day to celebrate all the interesting and creative tasks that we've done together, and it's a reminder that we are learning important things, and these things are going to help us forever. As we witness the performances today, the dancers and these little actors enacting their roles in the musical drama to the best possible perfection, we see more than just a show. We see the blossoming of confidence, the expression of individuality, and the spirit of teamwork that has been nurtured during all this time. You will observe that we have ensured active participation of each child from classes junior kindergarten and senior kindergarten in the play. However, even if they are not able to speak their dialogues clearly, we have ensured that their voices are retained in the play and not replaced with a voiceover. So as we immerse ourselves in the festivities, let us remember that annual day is a mirror reflecting the collective efforts of our dedicated teachers, the unwavering support of parents, and the boundless potential of our young ones. Our dedicated team of teachers deserves a special mention. Their patience, creativity, and unwavering commitment have played a pivotal role in shaping the minds and hearts of our little ones. Teaching in a kindergarten requires a unique blend of love, enthusiasm, and the ability to see the world through the eyes of a child. Now, if we talk about the grand spectacle you are witnessing today, it is a testament to the dedication and hard work of our exceptional team of teachers. Behind the scenes, they have spent extra time planning and preparing to make sure everything is just right. From the decorations to the performances, they have put their hearts into it. Their consistent efforts have paid off, and it's wonderful to see our kids thriving wherever they go after leaving our school. They are making their mark in bigger schools, and that brings us immense happiness. When parents of our former students share success stories of children excelling and standing out in their schools, it's a joyful moment for all of us. It is like witnessing our stars shining even beyond our walls, and it is truly incredible feeling for all of us. Their accomplishments serve as a testament to the comprehensive care they have received during their early years. Our teaching approach is unique. We stand out as one of the few preschools in Tri-City dedicated to fostering children's growth in all aspects from a very young age. This is made possible through the collaborative efforts of both the school and you, the parents. Now, let's take a moment to celebrate some of the remarkable achievements and progress our school has witnessed in the past academic year. It's truly exciting to reflect on the headways that the school has made, showcasing the collective efforts of our dedicated staff, enthusiastic children, and supportive parents. To enhance our skills even further, in the month of August, we had organized a special training for our teachers by none other than Dr. Swati Popat-Vats, Chairman, Early Childhood Association of India. The training program focused on fortifying the fundamentals for comprehensive development in early years. Creativity and innovation are deeply embedded in the essence of the nursery, evident across various facets of our initiatives. Whether it's the activities within the classroom, educational outings, self-care practices, charitable endeavors, in-house celebrations or major events, our unwavering commitment to excellence is evident. Importantly, these qualities have garnered recognition from esteemed figures in the education sector, positioning our school prominently. We take pride in being recognized as the second best preschool in the Tri-City for the year 2023, a distinction bestowed upon us in a survey conducted by a prestigious publication, The Times of India. Thank you so much. This honor serves as a testament to the collective hard work, dedication, and collaborative spirit embraced by our entire team. We are proud to have achieved this milestone and remain dedicated to maintaining the highest standards of excellence. This accomplishment would not have been possible without your invaluable support. Now, I won't keep you waiting. We'll start the program because I know you all are very excited to see your little ones on the stage. And I would also like to say that when we get the kids ready for this event, we try to make everything perfect as we can. And believe me, it is not easy at all. While we want the kids to do their best, at the same time, we ensure that the kids don't feel any kind of pressure. We want them to enjoy every bit of it, the part of getting ready and performing on the stage. So whatever you see the little ones do today is their absolute best. If they make a little mistake, it is only going to make the things cuter. So dear parents, sit back, relax and enjoy the show. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Dear parents, today our little kiddos will spread their magic by displaying their talent. So to enjoy this evening, you are requested to kindly note of the following guidelines to make today's show a more pleasant one. During the function, please do not try to meet children backstage or in the green room. In case any child is not comfortable or is unsettled, we will contact you personally. You need not worry about your child as we have made all the necessary arrangements in the green room. Kids will be handed over to you after the function is over. Please follow the dispersal announcements at the end of function. Please do not come forward to click pictures, as on seeing you, your child may get unsettled on stage and hence will not be able to perform. Photographs will be clicked and video will be made by the school photographer and will be made available to all the parents. Most importantly, our little ones have been putting in huge efforts for the past 2 months. So I request you to kindly keep encouraging them during the show by putting your hands together more often. And now, once again, I warmly welcome everyone to this eagerly anticipated event of the year. Together, let's delve into the inspiring theme of saving our planet, embraced by our annual day this year. So ladies and gentlemen, let's embark on this journey through today's play, SOS, the mission to save Earth, presented to you by the students of the nursery preschool. Thank you so much, everyone.
They say the existence of life is far beyond our imagination. Who created these beautiful stars? Who created these heavenly bodies? Who created these planets? The answer that strikes is some divine power, and we know Him as God the Almighty. He also created a blue planet, a home to many like us. A planet that we humans claim we know the most. But are we sure we know it completely?
I'm a crown with giant claws, clippity clown on the seashore.
We are little crabs, but is this a song? We don't like it. Change it now.
Like it do.
Put your hands up for the little crabs. Let's take this girl looking. Now, stop this girl. Front, look in front. Come on your toes, everybody. On your toes. Woo! Yeah.
How many times do I need to tell you? Don't you understand? A simple rule of Octoman? Your brilliance. I asked him to wait for the right time, but he was in a rush, and I failed to understand the reason. Look. He is always in a rush. Your one mistake raised an alarm among humans. Your brilliance, Blobby drives fast. No one can see us. Really? Then what is this? And this? And this? Bobby feels sorry to my kind queen. Your brilliance, Blobby behave like humans. Yes, Jubilee. Undoubtedly, I'll have to do something in this regard. This way, humans will surely come to know about our Octoland. Humans are foolish, Your Brilliance. They can never cross our Ziggy triangle. Gluck, gluck. Yes, Your Brilliance. Humans call it Bermuda Triangle, but they are still confused. Quiet! Gluck, gluck. Never underestimate your opponent. They are not that dumb. By the way, what were you doing near the jungles of Amazon yesterday? Your Brilliance, we were out for some groceries when we saw beautiful flashing lights. We went to that direction and were mesmerized by the music and dance happening there. It was some kind of party, as humans say. Or, where is Army Chief Floaty? Ask him to meet me as soon as possible. Floaty is here, Your Brilliance. Float, 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 float. We aren't any gold, we don't need any board. We aren't any gold, we don't need any board. But we, float, 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 float. Enough! Now what's happened to you? What are you doing in these polythene? Humans, Your Brilliance, humans! I'm simply done with their careless behavior. Yes, Neocraniers, Damo de party, Damo de litter. Yes, Your Kindness, we work day and night cleaning our ocean, but the speed of humans in dumping trash and spoiling their surroundings is simply remarkable. I see. I'll do something about it. Let me know when they party next.
Very good, very good, very good. Yeah, listening to you. Come on, everybody. Come on. Punch, everybody. Punch. Put your hands up. 2, 3, come on. Very good. A big round of applause for the Musafir. Be careful. Clap for our little photographers. They are very excited to take the photographs. The beach photographs.
Do the bigger diggity dong song.
I got it, boss. I got it. मैं ले आया, boss. मैं ले आया. He got it, boss. He got it. Keep quiet. Silence. Oh, boss. As always, sleeping. What to shoo? It's urgent. बॉस को बोलो कि मैं बीच पार्टीज की ऐसी कलरफुल पिक्चर्स लाया हूँ कि आपकी नींद भाग जाएगी. भाग जाएगी. भाग जाएगी? कौन भाग जाएगी? कहाँ भाग जाएगी? कौन भाग जाएगी? कहाँ भाग जाएगी? रिलैक्स बॉस, रिलैक्स. कोई नहीं भाग रहा है बॉस. कोई नहीं भाग रहा है. हम हैं ना बॉस. आप आराम से सो जाओ. Dear boss, Clicky wants to say that he has got some amazing pictures for our channel. Yes, we look the same. Where is it? Show me. Rejected. You know what? The whole world knows us as the TRP News Channel. But in TRP, we are at the bottom. I understand, boss. Yes, we understand, boss. No, you don't. जाओ जाके कुछ ऐसा लेके आओ जिससे हमारा न्यूज चैनल टीआरपी के सारे रिकॉर्ड्स तोड़ दे. Something happening. Something exciting. Something out of the world. Out of the world? Just imagine. TRP News exclusive. An alien found with an UFO. But the alien और UFO कहाँ से लाएंगे बॉस से कहाँ से लाएंगे बॉस? Fire! Fire? Yes, fire. If you won't get it, I will fire you. UFO? Aliens? ये क्या होते हैं भाई? क्या होते हैं भाई?
Come on, everybody, again. A big round of applause for our little drivers. आपकी तालियों की आवाज आएगी तो अपने आप आपकी तरफ देखेंगे वो। Come on. Drivers, बता के मम्मा पापा क्लैप कर रहे हैं वहां देख लो everybody, come on, everybody. Jump, 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 jump. Oh, yes. Now, so now I believe the little tribals are feeling hungry. So, अब अगर भूख लग रही है तो कुछ तो खाएंगे। देखते हैं इन्होंने क्या पकड़ा आज। Oh, भूख लग गई है। They've got a big fish. Come on. Back to the energy. Come on. Push your hands up. Hands up. All right. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Come on.
wait. No. अब भाग यार. Okay then, go. But याद रखना, बहू से क्या बोला था? She will fire us both. No, not Huyogo. I am a clicky chatur. Click from TRP News. And I am Hami Singh ji. Dakolo, Khapolo, Tebolo, Dakolo, Khapolo, Tebolo. लगता है कोई गुजराती ट्राइब है. How do you know यार? सुना नहीं? ढोकला, फाफड़ा, खाखड़ा, थेपला, ये सब तो गुजराती डिश है ना? Genius, you're simply genius, my friend. Huyago. Now, what is she saying, yaar? I think she is asking us to sit down. And the mayor, catch them all and put them all in our prison. And the mayor, catch them all, prisoners. यहाँ बहुत गड़बड़ है भाई. यहाँ बहुत गड़बड़ है यार. Huyogo. They came in search of Eliano. Mr. Huyogo, Eliano, my friendo. Eliano, your friendo. Huyogo. Come on. Eliano, my friendo. He is alive, Blobby. Look. Yes. Let's take him to our queen. Queen? Who are you? We are from Octaland. And you call us aliens.
Slowly. आराम से. निदान आराम से. निदान आओ.
No. मुझको छोड़ दो. I beg of you. You're faithfully. You're obediently. You're sincerely. Now, since you are a liar, we will take you with us. Look. Yes. Let's take them both to our queen, to our Octaland. Yeah. sky either. Reason? Their radar system, sir. No problem. Then we must hit the target through the ocean. Prepare and attack. Set our torpedoes. Yes, sir. Disperse. I will destroy the target through the ocean. Blobby, people like him are spoiling our talent. Gluck, gluck. Yes, yes. Shall we take him to our queen too? Who's there? Who's there? Who's there? Who's there? Who's there? Catch him! चीकू के पापा, ये तो बहुत ही प्यारी जगह है। अरे, स्वर्ग है स्वर्ग। पापा पापा, इसे बेटा रंगता है। बेटा, इसे चौपे हाथी कहते हैं। बेटा, इसे चौपाटी कहते हैं। हाँ, सही पकड़े। पापा पापा, बोले दो सनसेट। वाह बेटा, चलो अब जल्दी चलो, बहुत सारी शॉपिंग करनी है। अरे लोगों, पहले चला ये शोला तो खाली कर लूं। मम्मी, याद नहीं। तुझे नहीं होता, तू बेटा, किसी ने नहीं देखा। We saw you. Look, look. Yes, yes, we saw you, and we will take you to our queen. Not the whole family, Blobby. Let's take this lady to our queen. Look, look.
A big round of applause for the Rangers Aliens. Come on. Hello, come on. Shake it up! are very angry on us, on humans. So here we go with the lyrics. Come on.
What you gonna do? 'Cause I'm gonna get you. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. All the things you
One
say,
by one, come on, yes.
you done to me. You can no longer make me cry.
Get up, come on.
Look what you done to me, baby. I can no longer smile, baby. And I
Back to your positions. Come on.
just to carry on. I'm the little gangster. I'm the little gangster. I can never fall in love. Gangsta, what you gonna
I was planning an attack, but how come I landed up here? And how is it possible that we all are breathing underwater? Quiet! Allow me, your brilliance. This is our science. Look, look. Yes, yes. We made you breathe here in our world. Our Octaland. Octaland? Yes, Octaland. Our home. Let me first make you all understand what I'm going to say. Be it a night or a day, make them understand what the Queen is about to say. You! He is not wearing those polythenes. You people dumped your trash into our ocean. That is spoiling our home. forget. We are covering 71% of this planet. Glug, glug. Yes. We can also cover up the whole earth. It's neither mine nor yours. It's our planet. So behave responsibly. We are aliens to you, and you are aliens for us. But we can surely live in peace and harmony together. Did you all understand? Good. Glub and Blobby, let them go now and make sure they never repeat such mistakes again. If they do, let me know. Yes, Your Brilliance. Queen जी, वो एक पिक्चर क्लिक कर लूं, वरना बॉस फायर कर देगा यार. I'll have to make them all forget everything except my message. Summer, fall, winter, and spring. Keep my message and make them forget everything.
Can we wait here? Keep each other.
Yeah, baby, they have changed their position. Come on, a big round of applause. It's a big deal. It's a big deal. They have changed their position on their own. Come on. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, come on.
Each other's paradise. Need a picture for my frame. Someone to share my brain. Tell me what you wanna drink. I'll tell you what I got in mind. Oh, I don't know your name, but I feel like that's gonna change. You ain't gotta be my lover for you to call me baby. Never been under no pressure. It ain't that serious. Can we keep each other company?
Such a beautiful dance. Woo! एक बार फिर से तालियां बनती है, फिर पोजीशन चेंज कर दी उन्होंने।
We all need to take out some time and think over all the problems that are making our home, our earth suffer. Come together, let's make it a better place and act upon before it's too late.
केयरफुल आराम से। दीवान कीप रोटेटिंग। सुदीक्षा आप कहाँ खड़े हो? जाना आप कहाँ खड़े बेटे? हाथ पे करो इनको। 2, 3, come on. 1, 2, 3, come on. Come on. Everybody put your hands up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, everybody. पोजीशन चेंज करके उन्होंने आपको क्या चुना को बताना यस कीप रोटेटिंग वेरी गुड very good, keep it up. Stretch your arms, everybody. Slowly, बेटा आराम से.
I want you for the and you make me feel like it burns and it hurts. Baby, this part of the rush. This is us. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love?
Very good. Smile, everyone. Here we go.
Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
Jump, jump, jump.
Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
Down.
What is baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love?
Now.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love?
Performance in SOS, the mission to save Earth. Let's give these little ones a big round of applause for their outstanding performances. And now, dear parents, as we approach the conclusion of this heartfelt celebration, let us take a moment to appreciate the significance of the journey our honored team members have undertaken over the past many years with our beloved preschool. Their unwavering dedication has not only been a pillar of strength for our preschool, but has also created a nurturing environment for the growth and development of our little ones. Today is not just about acknowledging their years of service. It is about recognizing the profound impact they have made on the lives of children, parents, and their colleagues. And now, in acknowledgement of their remarkable service, we would like to take a moment to felicitate our team members who have reached milestones of 12 years with us. To do the honors, I invite our respected director, Shri B.R. Goyal, and our principal, Ms. Shikha Goyal, to kindly join us on the stage for this special recognition. Let's acknowledge one of our most valuable and dependable facilitators who has completed an impressive dozen years with us. A remarkable 12 years of dedicated service. First and foremost, we have with us Miss Sheetal, who has been sincere, responsible, and truly trustworthy in delivering her duties. Parents, a big round of applause for Sheetal ma'am.
Paji.
And now, shifting our focus to our support staff, I would like to call upon Om Bhaiya, who has been consistently and actively delivering his duties for the last 12 years. For being indispensable and integral parts of our organization. Your commitment and hard work are truly commendable, and we look forward to continuing to honor you and others in the future. And now, it's time to acknowledge our teachers who have consistently demonstrated creativity by presenting. So, in the category of Class Theme Board Excellence Award, for the academic year 2022-23. The award goes to Miss Anuradha Sharma from Playgroup B, Miss Shalu Sharma from Nursery A, and Miss Millicent Gupta from LKG. A big round of applause for all the teachers. In making learning even more effective and fun. Thank you so much, everyone. And now I would like to invite Sheetal ma'am to take over from here. Thank you.
So much, everyone. Thank you. Parents, while the children are busy changing into their costumes and getting ready to join you, I would like to take this opportunity to guide you through a brief video. This video provides a behind-the-scenes look at the making of our musical SOS, the Mission to Save Earth.
Keep looking. Oh, you're going too slow. Let me take the wheel.
It's too fast! How could you even tell what's on?
I can tell. Too late, I'm in the 40s. Gotta go around the horn. Faster.
Wait, that's it!
to the entire team of the Nursery Preschool, including all the teachers, support staff, our support facilitator, Miss Neha, and the choreographer and director for the show, Mr. Gaurav Anand. A big thank you to each one of them for pouring their heart A big thank you to each one of them for pouring their heart and soul into this event, working tirelessly day and night to ensure its success. Most importantly, our heartfelt thanks go out to our dear parents for their unwavering cooperation. Thank you, parents. Your constant support has truly made a difference. Ladies and gentlemen, let's once again applaud the great work done by these dedicated individuals. Thank you so much, everyone. And now, I would like to make an important announcement. Parents, please note that the school will remain off on Monday, that is 27th November, on account of Gurpurab, and on 28th November on account of Annual Day. The school will now resume on 29th November, that is on Wednesday. And now, for a smooth dismissal of children, I request you all to wait here in the hall to pick up your kids. Parents will be called there near the stage in the groups of the classes, and names of the children will be called out in alphabetical order. We will start with the dispersal, starting with class Playgroup A. So I invite the parents of Playgroup A to assemble on the right hand side of the stage, that is near the dais. So I request all the parents of Playgroup A, please come forward. I will announce the names of the children.